Well, I think that when the virus started in China, they should not only ban flights from that country, but also remain in quarantine until they are healthy. But since the reality was not like that, we should take care of ourselves and eat healthy, either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and because it's necessary to follow a diet that provides us with the nutrients our body needs. You will also reduce anxiety since our body will be satisfied with what it was eaten. In my case, I have a yogurt with cereal for breakfast and a couple of toast. For lunch, a little rice or salad with chicken breast, and for dinner, a couple of fruits or yogurt with cereal. As we know during these difficult days that we all go through, we must find a way to distract ourselves, either alone or as a family. In addition, in these types of situations, you always have to see things with optimism and life each day and each moment. Now, one of the good things is having time to spend with the family. It's a good opportunity to be with the family, whether it is playing, talking, or watching movie. And well, in my case, on the weekends, I watch action movies, or with my family, we play Monopoly or we watch movies. Um, I basically do it to entertain myself and be healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.